Time for a crypto market update, February 21st, 2026. Hi, my name's Josh. I do these crypto market updates every day. I'm with Crypto Y'all, and if you like this video, give me a number 3 in the comments so I know you're here and you think this is productive. And maybe share it with a friend. This is fun. For anybody who knows anything about liquidity, especially on exchanges, we know that market makers and central exchanges like to wipe out leverage. And this heat chart shows $13 billion clustered right around that Bitcoin $90,000 point. And currently, there's very little incentive for market makers to push prices down, at least comparatively speaking. On another note of confluence, we covered this in our previous video, but this is the Bitcoin gold chart, not the Bitcoin USD chart, the Bitcoin gold pair. It appears, if timing or at least hermetic cycles come into play, that Bitcoin's gold bear market should be coming to an end, if not already. The assumption here is that Bitcoin's about to start outperforming gold, which would make sense if gold is topping or has had a blow-off top experience. That doesn't mean gold can't go higher. It just might mean that Bitcoin will outperform gold in the next regime. And as far as regimes go, we are now through the quantitative tightening regime of the Federal Reserve, as indicated by the light pink or red shade here. And we also have the global liquidity index at new all-time highs. There's a current counter trend or divergence between the Bitcoin price and the GLI, and those are typically short-lived. One of the trustworthy voices in the market, Tom McClellan of the McClellan Report, made a fantastic observation with the Commitment of Traders report that comes out every Friday at 3:30 Eastern. He said this week's report shows that they are moving net long with some urgency, talking about non-commercial traders who are usually the smart money in terms of Bitcoin futures. Look back at what the last two similar excursions led to, but remember, this is a condition, not a signal. The excursions from net short to net long result in massive rallies. And for those worried about the Iranian-U.S. conflict over nuclear proliferation, it appears that in Geneva, talks are going really well and that a nuclear deal is back in discussion. Also, people are always waiting for a catalyst. They're always waiting on a headline before they get positioned in the market. But sometimes markets, they melt up because of fundamental developments, like the one we received this week.